Hey, it's Lars with MarineMax from Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and today we're sitting on our 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX IO. Right now I'm sitting on the large sun pad we have back here, as well it also covers the engine. Now back here in the transom walkthrough we have a place for your batteries, some storage in there. Very convenient. Your battery switch is located right where you'd want to get on the boat, as well as some more area for dry storage. Here we are. I got the engine compartment open. You can see our 4.5 liter Mercruiser engine. It's got 250 horsepower, plenty enough to push you down the bay. As well as in here in the cockpit, you have plenty of space for your family and friends. Got a lot of seating, and under most of the seating is storage or coolers. This one actually has a built-in insulated cooler, as well as note all the cup holders that are in this boat. And under this aft seat, you have a removable igloo cooler. You can bring the sandbar with you when you guys are anchored up or beached. Your port seat spins, as well as your helm seat, and they both have thigh-rise bolsters that flip up, which is a very nice added touch. As well as up here in the helm, we got your engine controls, Fusion stereo, and a SIMRAD display, as well as some analog gauges. And we'll head up to the bow in a second. All right, now before we move up to the bow, it's important to talk about the windshield and the wind gate. That'll block you, if the winds are kicking up or you're out late at night, and keep you a little warmer with you and your family. As well as here on the port side, we have a head compartment and your windshield also can block the wind too. Now up here in the bow, we got ample seating for 2-3 people. Underneath both of these, you have nice storage, or you could also use these as coolers as they're finished in gel. And up here in the front, we have your anchor locker. One last thing to note now that we're off the boat is the nice sizable swim platform. All your kids can go hang out while you're tied up, as well as this is a neat feature on our 23 SPX, is that it has a manual submersible swim platform. This folds down, will sit in the water, so you can sit in the water. It makes it easier for reboarding, or just lounging out and you want to stay a little wet and you don't have a tube or something. So again, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're looking at our 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX IO. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat here we have on our lot, give us a call at 609-494-2102.